EASTENPAT. Planting in Norris Square, beautiful new apartment building from Island Development Group from Staten Island. My buddy Matt Farrell has the same last name as me. Hooked me up. These are Appalachian Redbuds that I got from Feeney's. End of season. They're number 15 containers. No root balls, and it's too late in the season to cut the Redbuds. So we kind of got them in. They'll look amazing in the spring. Kind of get them rooted in there. The soil, as you can see, was complete garbage. It was rubble, just like stone, bricks, pieces of cement. I really had to dig it out far. And then in each of the holes, that first one right there is probably the weakest of all of them, but there was some actually reasonable soil once I got through all the stone and the rubble and the clay. So I'm doing the beautiful oak stakes. I like to do this single leaner, tie it with some canvas. Hit us up.